Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to activate emoji stickers in iPhone 17 Pro. So first, let's head over to the settings. And right here in the settings, we need to go over to the general. And in the general, we need to find the keyboard settings. So they are right here. They have its own section. Here we have the keyboard, and now we need to scroll all the way down until we see these stickers. Now, if they are disabled, then you won't be able to send stickers from the emoji keyboard, but if you enable it, then you will be able to do that. So now, as you guys can see, it's enabled. Let me go quickly to the notes, and right here we can easily go and select the emoji. Now select the stickers, and now we need to let them load, and here we can use them as normal emojis for an example. So now we can save it, and as you guys can see, we've got the emoji stickers. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.